Today, let's make a unicorn handprint. You will need some paper, preferably cardstock or something stiff, a pencil and eraser, a black marker. You'll need some scissors, glue stick, and some kind of coloring utensils. To start off, use a pencil and trace the shape of your hand. Be sure to close off the open end from thumb to pinky finger. You may also want to remove any jewelry that you might be wearing. Go over your outline with a black marker so it's easy to see the lines. Of course, you can skip this step and simply outline your hand in a black marker to start. Erase any visible pencil markings. On a clean sheet of paper, draw your unicorn's head. Start by drawing an oval shape. Add facial features like eyes, a mouth, and a nose. You can add ears, unicorn hair, and a horn. Just have fun with it. This is your unicorn, and they can look as magical as you would like. When you are satisfied with the details, draw your unicorn's tail. You can make this a short tail, a long tail, a fluffy tail. Remember, you can do whatever you want. This is your imagination, so have fun. Outline your unicorn head and tail in black marker so the lines are more visible. Of course, this step is optional if you haven't used marker for the rest. When you're finished, it's time to color your unicorn. You can use any kind of coloring utensils, and you can make your unicorn any color you want. I'm making my unicorn rainbow colored because everyone knows unicorns and rainbows go together. We will be cutting these pieces out, so you don't have to worry about coloring in the lines. Scribble to your heart's content. When you've finished coloring, it's time to cut the pieces of our unicorn out. Once all the pieces are cut out, you can glue the pieces together. The head gets attached to the thumb of your traced hand. Then, you can glue the tail to the opposite side. Add any other final details you'd like. When you are satisfied, you're finished. I'm just going to add a cool little rainbow here to my unicorn butt. And done, just like that.